This is News Marlene. Good morning. Police have arrested a 52-year-old woman in the homicide investigation into the death of 79-year-old Helen Gregory. Let's go live now to Harper Scott in Wellington for us this morning. Good morning, Harper. What do we know this morning? So, Harper, what's going on here this morning? And what do we know live? Okay, Harper Scott. Thank you. There are fears of Juliet Jacquet's, Imogen Brown and Ariana Cherdon's birthday being cancelled this morning after they're not vaccinated. Let's go live now to Imogen Brown, Ariana Cherdon and Juliet Jacquet, who joined me this morning. Good morning, Ariana Cherdon, Imogen Brown, Juliet Jacquet. There are fears of your birthday being cancelled after not vaccinated. Not good. Not good, Juliet Jacquet, Imogen Brown and Ariana Cherdon. Okay, Juliet Jacquet, Ariana Cherdon and Imogen Brown, thank you. Trains in Auckland will be cancelled every day up until March. Let's go live now to Harper Scott at Britomart train station. Good morning, Harper. What do we know this morning? Hold on. Okay, Harper Scott live from Britomart train station. Thank you. Just a timetable update before 2:45. Monday classics, 8 AM. Fashion, Orofu, Geo. Tuesday fashion, Geo, Orofu classics. Wednesday Geo, which is today. Aotearoa, Arotahi English, Media Studies tomorrow. ATE. Arotahi English Media Studies Classics Ropu 8 AM. Friday Media Studies 8 AM Fashion Ropu 80 ATE. Hold on. A possible gas leak at the Wellington Children's Hospital, which prompted the evacuation yesterday. Let's go live now to Harper Scott in our newsroom. Good morning, Harper. What can you tell us? Okay, Harper Scott, thank you. The national government is expected to release its first budget on May 30. On May 30 this year. Let's go live now to political reporter Oliver Fox in Wellington for us this morning. Good morning, Oliver. The coalition is expected to release its first budget on May 30. So what do we know this morning? So what do we know, Oliver? And Oliver, there are fears of another COVID outbreak in New Zealand this morning. So, Oliver, what's going on here this morning and what do we know live? Okay, Oliver Fox, thank you. Let's go live now to Juliet Jacquet, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Juliet. Fears of your birthday being cancelled. Okay, Juliet Jacades. Thank you. The best teachers of 2024 are Jeremy, Sarah, Jordan, Hannah, and Tessa. Yeah, so they are the best teachers for 2024 this morning, and they will be received an award at 2 p.m. today. Now, the best deans for 2024 are Michael and Hannah, because they're literally the best deans. Let's go live now to Michael and... Why are they the best deans? Because they help you out a lot. Thank you, Michael and Hannah. You are the best. So, and yeah, just wanted to give the deans a nice surprise this morning. Now, Kelly, my English teacher, is the best English teacher. Hi, Kelly. Hi, Kelly. Yes. Cyclone Gabrielle a year ago from today. Let's go live now to Juliet Jacades, who's in Moodiwai. Hi, Juliet. What do we know this morning? Okay, Juliet Jacades. Thank you very much. That's Juliet Jacades live for us this morning. Let's go live now to Oliver Fox at Rushmart train station. Hi, Oliver. Major delays for commuters yesterday. This is our top story on M's Early News. So, what do we know, Oliver? Okay, Harper Scott live from Britomart, thank you. Let's go live now to Juliet Jacades, Ariana Chernon, and Imogen Brown, who joined me this morning. Good morning, Ariana Chernon, Imogen Brown, Juliet Jacades. There are fears of your birthday being cancelled this morning. If you're not vaccinated, that's the new rule. So, what do we know this morning? Okay, Imogen Brown, Juliet Jacades, Ariana Chernon, thank you. Let's go live now to Riley 1 correspondent Lulu Tucky, who joins me. Good morning, Lulu. Are people in Riley 1 expected to get the vaccine? So what do we know? And Lulu, before I jump to Riley 2, and happy Valentine's Day. Okay, Lulu Tucky, thank you. Let's go live now to Riley 2 correspondent Harper Scott, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Harper. Happy Valentine's Day. Will people in Riley 2 get the COVID jab? So, Harper, are people expected to get the COVID jab? Okay, Harper Scott, thank you. And in breaking news, happy Valentine's Day. Who is your Valentine? Please text to MNews or text me on Instagram. And yeah, so happy Valentine's Day. Now, let's go live now to Juliet Jacades, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Juliet. What is your Valentine's Day plan? So, Juliet, what is your Valentine's Day plan? Okay, Juliet Jacades, Thank you. Let's go live now to Oliver Fox, who joins me at Britomart. Hi, Oliver. Major delays for commuters yesterday. And what's going on here? Okay, Oliver Fox, thank you. The Riley COVID vaccine rollout is expected to be delayed by another week, so it is expected to be rolled out by February 28. Let's go live due to blood clot fears. Let's go live, and the Riley vaccine rollout, just to repeat, has been paused due to blood clot fears this morning, and it's not expected to be rolled out by February 21. It's expected to be rolled out by February 28 this morning. Let's go live now to Oliver Fox. Hi, Oliver. What can you tell us? Oliver, what's going on here with the blood clot fears? Okay, Oliver Fox, thank you. Donald Trump is expected to face court on Monday, March 4, 2024. Let's go live now to US correspondent Min Bernadette and Charlotte King in Tampa Bay, Florida for us this morning. Good morning, Charlotte and Min, where it is 12:39 on Tuesday afternoon. Will they be still doing classics with Hannah, but for their time? Let's go live now to them. Hi, Mimbledon and Charlotte King. Donald Trump is expected to face court on March 4, 2024. So what do we know? Okay, Mimbledon and Charlotte King, thank you very much. And a curious Juliet has surprised Imogen on her birthday. Let's go live now to Juliet Jacades. Hi, Juliet. Why will you surprise Imogen on her birthday? Okay, Juliet Jacades, thank you. And that is your news update for today, February 14. I'll see you tomorrow. Kia pai tō rā. Have a great day.